go to the news and let me show you first for the beginners how to identify the high impact news and how to handle them. First of all, you need to go to this website, forexfactory.com. I will put the link in the description as well. And the first thing you need to do before you even check for the calendar or the news, you need to check the timing. Look at this time. It's 9:37 p.m. Right here in Dubai where I live. First thing you need to do when you open the website for the first time is click on this one, click on the time, and just select your current or local country. I live in Dubai, so I will just keep it as it is. DST is for the winter and summer time. We don't have that here in Dubai. And save settings. Just select your local country time just to be sure that it is on the right settings. Now, we need to look at these news. These are the upcoming news for this week. So, for example, right now we can see this green arrow indicating that the next news, the upcoming news, is for the USD, the FOMC statement. And usually these are making high impact news on the market. These are what I'm planning to trade right now, especially this one, federal rate, funds rate. If it was really bad or lower than the previous statement, that is going to affect the dollar, and I'm going to be sure to catch all the possible profit from that trade. We can see that Thursday, tomorrow, we are going to have 3 p.m. my local time, some really good high impact news on the pound. Now, how do we know these are high impact news? Because we can see here we have red color on this square or this mark. It means that this is a high impact news. Of course, the orange meaning medium impact news. The yellow is usually nothing. It is very low impact news. Now, what you need to do is just focus on the red ones, but not all of them, of course. There are some news that doesn't really make any impact on the market, such as, for example, this one, trend mean CPI. It doesn't really usually make that impact on the market. CPI, however, it does. PMIs does, yes. Business confidence, it depends on the news itself, but usually it doesn't really make that impact. The measures, let me tell you. The measures are NFP, which is known as non-farm payroll. The next one is unemployment rate for US or CAD. Usually these are making really a lot of impact. The one we are checking right now, FOMC or the federal rate. What else? Let me check. It's gonna happen actually this Friday, 4:30 p.m. We can see in my timing there is the non-farm payroll and unemployment rate for the USD as well. I'm telling you, check USD 4:30 p.m. Dubai time, 12:30 GMT time. The pound, oh sorry, the USD is gonna jump that like crazy. You will notice that the USD will be crazy, and you better not trade it unless you are trading the news. But if you are stuck in a trade since before, I highly advise you to close it before the news come ahead. So these are the news we are really focusing on. I believe that I forgot something, but I'm not sure which one. I feel I forgot one of them. Anyway, the most important things is the first two. NFP, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate for the US or the CAD. These two are the major ones we are focusing on. Now, however, let's focus on what's coming right now. What's coming right now is this one. At 10:30. What I want to catch is this one about 10 p.m. The federal rate is federal funds rate. That is what I'm planning to catch. Right now, it is 9:43. Still, we have almost 17 minutes ahead. Let's go to the MetaTrader and let me show you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade this news. First of all, let me just change the lot size. It's too much now. Make it 40. 45. Okay, yeah. Now, what is my style? Let me explain to you my style. Now, trading the news is really risky because you actually have the risk of losing or blowing your account. Now, just let me explain to you in a brief what I'm doing. For example, I have $1,300 and I'm planning to trade that for the whole week. So what I do, instead of using the whole or instead of using the amount $1,300, what I did is simply open a new live account in IC Markets, and I put only $230 in that account, and I traded it to make it 236. But what I did is just investing $230 in that live account. Now, what is the idea? The idea is I'm going to risk only this money, $230. I'm going all in with this amount, and if I lose only this amount. I don't lose the $1,300. It is safe, and that is how I'm trading Forex. Just put the small amount and enter full lot. If you make profit, you make profit. If you lose, you just lose this small amount you have invested. Now I'm aware that there is a lot of traders are against this. They don't agree with me, and I don't want to tell you something bad. I don't care. I just don't care. If they don't agree, if they don't like it, if they think that I'm a noob trader or paper trader, that's up to them. I know what I'm doing, and that is how I've been making money from Forex for at least 4 years so far. So the idea again is just invest the small amount that you are going to risk, and I will explain now the reason. Now let me tell you how we can trade the news. Now let's first of all again go back, check the news is gonna affect for the USD. So now we need to trade the Euro USD. It's preferable to trade Euro USD. It is gonna be affected by this news. You have to switch to the 1 hour time frame. So right now I'm on the 1 hour. Click on a new order. Now let me tell you what to do. Now we need to change the lot size, make sure it is what you want. And for the type, you need to change it for pending order. Now we can see this window has changed right now. And what we need to do here what we need to do here is to select which one of them we need to use. Is it buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop? Let me just explain to you the reason between these four quickly. The buy limit, the buy limit meaning to go against the direction when the candle is going down. So for example, if I set here buy limit, let me tell you, if I set here buy limit on this level like that, I set a buy limit here, so meaning the candle, once the candle reaches this level, a buy order will be triggered, and hopefully if the candle will go up, it will take me with it because I place automatically a buy order. So this is like a pending order for buying, but you can place this only below the candle because you are hoping for the candle to go down, and once it's going down, you are expecting it to, for example, bounce on this support, and the buy order will be triggered and it will take you with it. Sell limit is the opposite. You can place the trigger area only above the candle, so it will be only right here. You cannot put sell limit right here below the candle. It's not gonna work. You can put the sell limit only above the candle, so once the candle will go here, a sell order will be opened, and hopefully the market will reverse, for example, on this resistance, and the candle will take you down with it with the profit. So in other words, sell limit and buy limit is activating the order in the opposite way of the candle. So if the candle going up and you have sell limit, a sell order will be triggered and you hope for the market to go down. That is for example. However, buy stop is different. Buy stop, you cannot place the buy stop below the candle. You can place it only above the candle. Buy stop is the opposite because it's not gonna trade the reversal. It's gonna trade the continuation. So if you have here buy stop, meaning the buy order will be activated if the candle will reach this level and the market will take you along with it. So there is no reversal here. Stop loss, sorry, stop. What did I say? Sell limit, sorry. Sell stop. Forgive me, guys, sorry. Sell stop can be placed. Sell stop. I got confused. Okay, sell stop can be placed only below the candle, so if the market will go down, there is no reversal. Just activate a sell order and take me along with you. That is the difference between between limit and stop. The limit is for the reversals, the stop is for the continuation. So let's go back to the subject. What I'm going to do right now, let me tell you. Now what will gonna happen after 10 minutes, because now it's 9:50 and the news is going to be triggered at 10 p.m. What we need to do is just simply click on buy stop and increase the value, just like that, and click place. Now we can see the buy stop has been placed right here. Now what you will do is now place another order, go to new order, again pending order. Now this time go to sell stop and just click on this one to make it go down and place. Right, that. Now this is the right thing. Now we have one buy stop order and another stop buy stop order and buy another sell stop order. So what will gonna happen? If the market will go up, it will take me with it. A buy order will be activated and it will take me along with it with the profit. If the market, however, go down, a sell order will be triggered and it will take me along with it in profit. However, it does sound really cool, it does sound really profitable, but it is really dangerous. It's very risky and not easy, and it's very possible that you might lose in the first time, because let me explain to you what will happen. Sometimes the news can be really bad, like really bad, or they might take some time to finalize their decision. Maybe what will gonna happen is the candle will be jumping up and down crazy. Now, what will gonna happen that time? The spread. You look at that. You see that? The spread during the high impact news, with any broker, they increase it. So the spread right now for the Euro USD, it is 0. But at the time of the high impact news, it will be increased. It will be like 5 or 6 pips maybe. Now, what does that mean? Meaning, if the candle, now we can see that I have my sell stop right here, right? But if you have high spread, maybe the candle will just reach this level right here, and because of the spread, 6 pips away, the trade will be activated. Exactly 6 pips, man, I'm good. So yeah, 6 pips away, right here, and the trade will be activated. What will gonna happen if the market just come here like that, making a zigzag move because of the high impact news, and then it will shoot up? You will lose. You will wipe your account in this case, because the sell stop has been triggered because of the difference in the spread. So did you get the point, guys? I hope you get it. Let me explain again in the buy order. For example, the market go up like that. At the time of the high impact news, this candle will be going crazy before it just finally shoot up or shoot down. So when it goes crazy like that, maybe it will touch the buy order, and it might touch it because the spread will be high. So if it is 6 pips the spread, meaning that the trade will be activated right here. Even though if you have your buy stop right here, still the trade will be triggered or activated on this level, again because of the spread. So let's say the market go down here, go up here, and the trade has been activated with the buy. But later on, you see the market, boom, falling down like that. You will lose, because your account will be wiped, and it's not gonna help you to activate the sell stop. That's why it's really risky, and you need to practice. You need to try with a small amount, like for example 50 or just $100, just to be safe if you are going with this on your live account for the first time. Now see what's gonna happen. I'm going to keep a safe distance between the current price and the stop orders which I'm having. Right now it is like 13 pips away from the sell stop and 14 pips away from the buy stop. I need to keep my eyes on this candle, so once it's going up or down, I will just like that keep track it, you know. So just make sure that I will be safe until the final moment happen, when it exactly 10 o'clock the candle will move in the way I'm hoping for it to go for. So now we have these two trades going on. Allow me to explain to you one thing here. I don't want to make this video so long, but I need to explain it. What some people doing is they are setting stop loss on both directions. What you can do, for example, modify, and you can set a stop loss. So for example, this is a buy stop, but set my stop loss right here, for example, like that. So what will gonna happen is, if the candle will go up and suddenly it will go down, as I explained now before, it will hit my stop loss. That is not really gonna help you. It happened to me before. It sounds good, but it doesn't really work, because the candle, again, I'm telling you, it will really go up and down so crazy. It might go up, it will go right here, activate my buy stop, then it might go down right here, activate the stop loss, and I will lose my money before it finally shoot and go more up, and then I will be just smashing my PC, cursing myself, cursing everything, cursing Forex, cursing whatever I can curse, just because I lost money for no reason, only because I have used stop loss. Yeah, stop loss is my sword enemy. I have no shame to say it in the public. I really hate stop loss. I either I don't want to say blow the account. That's why I just want to avoid using stop loss. Everything is possible in Forex. You can think that you have lost the trade, but you are wrong. You might not have lost the trade. Just give it some time and see what will gonna happen. That's why I'm risking this amount. This is investment. I'm a trader. I'm investing money. So $236, I might lose them. Yes, possible perhaps if something was really bad or really good. We need to wait to see what the news, what will gonna happen, how the candle will move, and I will show you in a few minutes what will gonna happen. So right now it's 9:57. In about less than 3 minutes that the news will be coming, and I will make sure to record for you what will gonna happen. So let me now pause the recording and I'll be back to you in 2 minutes. Now let me show you. Please pay attention to the spread, my friends. Look at that. Look at the spread, what's happening. The market now is going crazy. The spread is getting higher. That is normal with any broker, as I have told you before. Let me just now prepare. Now is I will keep the timing as well if I can. No, I cannot. Okay, so just a few seconds. Look what's happening. Now the candle is moving up normal. This is not normal move of the candle. It's just keep moving up and down. Just wait for the last 10 seconds. It will move like crazy. And I need to track it. Make sure that it is not gonna screw me up in the last few seconds. I will just keep adjusting the orders. You can see how the candle now is moving, and that is what's happening during the high impact news. Yes, yes. Look at it. 20 seconds away. I hope it will make big movement and we will have good profit. Look at the spread. Now it's becoming 2 pips, and 2 pips is really nothing on IC markets. That is really good for the Euro USD. I'm still very safe, and I will think I will... Okay, now the news happened. Let's wait to see what will gonna happen. Look at the candle. Just watch the candle. Still, it's not finalized. Yes, and my sell order has been activated. Look at that. Now I'm making a lot of profit. Fantastic. Let's see, 7 pips. Let me now disable the other pending order and activate just this one. And that's it. Fine. Done. 11 pips. Easy 11 pips has been made during this news. And easy, I think $54 have been made. That is how you can trade the news. Don't keep your trade running for a long time. Yes, you can see the candle is going down more and more. I know you might tell me, why did you rush to close it very quickly? Why didn't you keep it? Wait more, man. You can make a lot more money. The experience has taught me that don't do that. Don't be greedy. The only reason you will lose in Forex if you become greedy. There was really a chance, and it happened so many times, when the market just reached the support level, and then it will, then the candle will breathe and go back up, and I will just miss my profit. It happened to me so many times that I'm pissed off already, and that's why I'm really happy with the profit I have made. Look at that. Do you see what's happening? That is what I'm talking about. If you keep the trade running, look at that. The candle will be breathing and going up. It depends on the news, actually. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened to the news. Was it good or bad? Okay. I think it was good, maybe. Or it was as forecast. Yeah, it was as the forecast. It is normal. So look at that, my friends. You can see how the candle now is going up again. It's pulling back. That's why I just closed it with a profit. That was possible to happen on this level where I closed my trade. So anyway, with a small account from $236 to $290, that is great. Now it's 10 p.m. I will finish my trades for today. It was quick, $50. Thank you for the USD. Let's wait for tomorrow, the pound at 3 p.m. Dubai time. And then the most important one is 4:30 p.m. Friday, the unemployment rate and the non-farm payroll. I believe this will be really profitable trading for the news. Good trades waiting for us, my friends. So anyway, I really hope you guys have learned how to trade the news from this video. I'm really sorry for the long video, but it was really important to explain to you in detail how we can trade the news. Yeah, it's going more down. I'm not pissed off, don't worry. I'm fine. As long as I have made my profit, I'm okay. So guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.